We have Rob Benner here showing us how to install a deer fence post using our exclusive reverse sleeve method. Our reverse sleeve is a hollow 1 3/8 inch SS20 pipe that is driven into the ground using a standard post driver. This is a corner post being installed, and Rob is angling the sleeve out a few degrees so that when tension is applied, it will be level. If this were an end or line post, he would be installing it level. The next step is to install the 1 3/8 inch brace band with eye bolt. The brace band slides onto the reverse sleeve and is secured to the pipe at ground level. This will hold the post even with the ground and ensure that all of the posts are a consistent height. Rob's using a power driver with a socket attachment to tighten the nut, but this can also be done by hand. Once all of the posts are installed, a metal tension cable will be run through the eye bolt. Now we are ready to install the post. For our system, we use a 1 5/8 inch 16 gauge post for all of our line posts. A thicker walled SS20 pipe is used for all of our end, corner, and gate posts. A 1 5/8 inch collar with eye bolt will be installed on the post and later be used to support a middle tension cable. So Rob is installing a corner post for a fence with a middle tension cable. He's putting on a 1 5/8 inch eye collar with eye bolt along with two 1 5/8 inch brace bands and brace cups. We'll show you in our next video how to install the brace pipe. For taller posts, it is easier to install your hardware and post cap before sliding the post onto the sleeve. Here, Rob is anchoring the post to the reverse sleeve to prevent the post from lifting up when tension is applied. This is only necessary for end, corner, and gate posts. Thanks for watching. Please check out more of our how-to videos on YouTube or at bennerdeerfence.com.